So today, this elements and compounds we'll be doing. This is from your chemistry subject from the first chapter. So read the first paragraph.
Introduction. There are millions of substances in this world. These substances differ from each other in their composition, properties, and uses because they all are made up of different kind of matter. They can be pure or impure. To study these substances
Accurately.
accurately and
Conveniently.
conveniently, they need to be classified under three categories: elements, compounds, and mixtures, on the basis of some similar and similarity.
Improve your reading skills, Neve.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, Didi.
So I'll read for you now. There are millions of substances in the world. Do you agree?
Yes, Didi.
Which we cannot even count. Which there are many substances which are not even discovered. So there are millions of substances in this world which differ from each other. Means they have differences. Everything, all the substances cannot be the same. Like example, uh, there are 10 Neem Kotharis in the world. Can it be possible? No. Correct?
No, Didi.
So they
Yes,
differ
Didi.
from their composition, they differ from their properties, they differ from their uses, and they also differ from the kinds of matter. Some can be
Yes.
pure substances, some can be impure substances. So in this,
Okay, Didi.
the substances are classified into three groups. The first one is element, second one is compound, and the third one is mixture. Okay?
Okay, Didi.
Yeah. So basically,
Didi, I know what is mixtures.
don't interrupt in between. If you have anything to tell, raise your hand.
Okay.
So the substances are classified into three: elements, compounds, and mixtures. Understood?
Okay. Okay, Didi.
Yeah. Now, what are molecules?
A
Any
small things, Didi.
Yeah. All substances are made up of very tiny particles called molecules. Now
Molecule.
we cannot see these molecules, okay? We cannot see through our eyes, through our naked eye. Molecules are formed from even smaller particles called atoms.
Okay,
Atom,
Didi.
ये molecules किससे बनते हैं? Atoms से. Okay? Molecules are tiny. Atoms are even more tinier, which we cannot see through our naked eye. We can see it only through the microscope.
Okay,
Atoms
Didi.
and molecules are so small that they can only be seen through the power of a microscope, as I told you. Correct?
Yes, Didi.
Okay. Now see this beautiful table. They have classified the substances into two: pure substances and impure substances. Okay.
Okay, Didi.
Pure means homogeneous, and impure impure will come to it later. Now in pure
Okay, Didi.
substances there are two: elements and compounds, whereas in impure there are only mixtures.
Okay, Didi.
Yeah. Now in elements again there are four groups: metals, non-metals, metalloids, and noble gas. In
Okay,
compounds
Didi.
we have organic and inorganic. And in mixtures we
Yes.
have homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. All this we will be learning. We'll be learning what is pure substance. We learn what are impure substance. We are going to learn all the definitions of whatever they have told in this table. Yes, Neev, tell me.
We have learned this all in fifth standard. Why we are repeating, or we have some new this Didi?
Yes. See, what you're learning now, the same thing will be learning even when you go to your 10th standard. But what is the difference is you are going to learn even more deeper. Now,
Okay.
example, in your 5th standard, you might have only learned about pure and impure substance. But now what are you learning? You're learning what are elements. Under that, you're going to learn so many things. Correct? So this is how
Yes.
the education system is now. Okay.
Okay. Okay,
First,
Didi.
now, first thing, what we're going to learn is about pure substances. Pure substances are made up of same kind of atoms or molecules and have a definite set of properties. They are
Okay.
all homogeneous. What do you mean by homogeneous? Means they all are in uniform. That means they are all look same and they are in bulk in a huge quantity. Okay?
Okay. Okay, Didi.
Both elements and compounds are pure substances. Now, if they ask you the example of pure substance, you can write elements and compounds.
Okay.
Now what do you mean by pure substance? They have given you here.
Didi, Didi, can I read pure substance?
Yeah, please read.
Pure substances are made up of same kind of atoms or molecules and have a definite set of properties. They are all homogeneous. Their composition is uniform throughout the bulk. Both elements and compounds are pure substances.
Yes.
Elements and are made up of same kind of atoms and compounds are made up of the same kind of molecules.
Stop. Very good. So now what do you mean by pure substance? Pure substances are made up of same kind of atoms or molecules. This is what you're going to write in your paper. Pure substances are made up of same kind of atoms or molecules and have definite set of properties. That means you know the properties of pure substances. Okay, you will be knowing definitely the properties of pure substances. Example, elements and compounds. Now, what is the difference between elements and compounds? Elements have same kind of atoms, but whereas compounds have same kind of
Molecules.
molecules. Very good. Is it clear?
Yes, the like elements have atoms and compounds have molecules.
Molecules, that's it. Okay.
Okay, Didi.
Next, we learn about impure substances. Impure
Okay.
substances are made up of two or more pure substances mixed together in any proportion. That means this impure substances have two or more than two pure substances which are mixed together, and it can be in any proportion. It does not have a particular proportion. मतलब ये quantity में ही होगा. No, it can differ. They do not have any definite set of properties. Okay, उनके properties कभी भी definite नहीं होते. ठीक है, change होते रहते हैं. We might not know some properties. Okay. Yes.
Okay,
Tell.
Didi. Didi, what is meaning of defer? What is
Definite,
meaning of definite?
definite means we can count. We can
Didi, not definite. You just now said that word, Didi, starts from D.
definite.
Okay.
Definite means we can count. Indefinite means we cannot count the properties.
Okay, Didi.
Now, see, in pure substance, they were always homogeneous, correct?
Yes, Didi.
But in impure substance, they can either be homogeneous or they can be heterogeneous. Okay,
Okay, Didi, meaning of heterogeneous?
that means they can either be in uniform or they cannot be in uniform. Okay, uniform is not what you wear. Okay, uniform means
Okay.
they might be equal or they might not be equal. Example, air. Can you count air?
No, Didi.
No. Correct?
Yes,
Now in
Didi.
a box, now you have a empty box. You have closed the
Okay.
box with the lid. You can know that how much air is there. But in the world, how much air is there? Do you know? No.
No, Didi.
It might be homogeneous. Homogeneous means in that box, air. And heterogeneous means throughout the world. So it may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Example, air, sugar, sugar solution, sand and stone. Okay, etc.
Didi, we can't count sugar.
You cannot count sugar. Count and show me how much. Can you count? No,
But,
you cannot.
but it takes time, no, Didi, to
Yeah, in
count.
the whole world, there are so many sugar factories. They are talking about sugar solution. मतलब शुगर को डिसॉल्व करते हैं तो आपको पता चलेगा क्या कितना शुगर मिला है उसमें? नो.
नहीं, Didi.
ठीक है,
Okay.
वेरी गुड. नाउ दिस इज योर एक्टिविटी. Make a
Make
list
a
of 5 mixtures which you use in your daily life and give reason why those substances should be considered as mixtures. Okay?
okay, Didi. Salt, sugar. I have to tell
That is
Didi
your
now.
activity. No, as your
Okay.
homework. Okay?
Okay,
Now,
Didi.
we go to the next topic. Now, see, in this table, we learned what are pure substances and we have learned what are impure substances.
Impure substance.
Now, in pure substances, there are 2 categories, elements and compounds. First, we'll be learning about elements and then we'll go to compounds. Okay,
Okay, Didi.
so now we are learning about elements. Elements are the limited number of basic substances from which millions of more substances are made. An element is the simplest pure substance. Each element is made up of only one kind of atom which differs from the atom of any other element. Oxygen, hydrogen, sulfur, carbon, iron, gold, silver, etc. citrate are some examples of elements. Now, I hope you must have got an idea of what is an element.
Didi, but even I have a doubt.
Please ask.
We can touch metal. How it is element
We can touch.
metal?
Who told we cannot touch elements? Have they mentioned here? No. Okay.
Okay, Didi.
See, an element is the simplest pure substance. Okay. And each element is made up of only one kind of atom. मतलब elements के अंदर atoms होते हैं. These elements are made up of one kind of atom. Okay.
Okay, Didi.
हर एलिमेंट का अलग अलग एटम होता है. नाउ एग्जांपल ऑक्सीजन. ऑक्सीजन इज एन एलिमेंट. उसके अंदर सपोज एटम ए है. अभी हाइड्रोजन एक और एलिमेंट है, उसके अंदर एटम बी है. ओके, सो द एटम्स विल नॉट बी सेम but they are made up of one kind of atom. Okay, in each element there is only one atom. Clear?
Okay, Didi. Yes, Didi.
Very good. The smallest unit of an element is atom. This is important. Okay.
Oh, 1 minute, Didi. I will write.
No, I'll tell you what all to write. Don't worry. At present, 118 elements are known. That means the scientists, archaeologists, people who study, they have
Yes,
discovered
Didi.
118 elements till now in the whole world.
Oh,
Imagine in this big planet, they have discovered only 118. ओके, और उसमें भी
oh,
आपको इतने याद नहीं रहते हैं, ठीक है? Of these,
Didi.
90 are natural elements. Most of them are combined state in Earth's crust, while rest 28 have been artificially created. अब देखो, इसमें भी मिलावट. 118 elements में से 90 are naturally found in the nature, in the Earth's crust, while 28 are artificially created. मतलब scientist ने ही 28 elements को बनाया. Okay?
Okay, Didi. Didi, can I ask a doubt?
Yeah, ask.
Like sugar is and mixture, though, Didi. Even it is counted 118 elements.
Sugar is not an element. I gave you examples of elements. No, see here. Hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, sulfur, carbon, iron, silver, gold. All these are elements. Okay.
Okay, Didi.
Yeah. So some elements are solid, some elements are liquid, and some elements can be even gas in the form of gas. Okay. Now gas में कौन सा element है? Oxygen. Correct?
Yes,
Liquid
yes,
में क्या
Didi.
है? Gold. और solid में क्या हो सकता है? Iron. Iron. ठीक है?
Okay, Didi.
Did you know? Do you know? Of the 118 elements known to us, some are radioactive in nature because they emit radiations which may be harmful. Okay, there are some elements that give out radiations which is harmful for the human, for all the living things. Okay,
Meaning of radiation?
radiation is some कुछ रेज निकलते हैं. अभी फोन, लैपटॉप, ये सब गैजेट्स, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स में क्या है? रेडिएशंस निकलते हैं. रेडिएशन, आई विल शो यू अ वीडियो on radiation next class. They are rays
Didi,
which come
even,
up, not
Didi,
sunlight.
even sun is
No. That is
radiation.
natural. This is artificial rays.
Okay, Didi.
Sunlight is not harmful, no?
Yes, Didi. But people say
Radiation,
when we take afternoon, what they say, vitamin D, they say it's not good.
I don't know.
Okay,
Okay.
Didi.
Now, in elements, as I told you, there are four compounds. I mean, four groups. See in this table. Elements में
Yes,
four
Didi.
groups: metals, non-metals, metalloids, and noble gas. Okay.
Okay, Didi.
Okay. Is it too much?
No, Didi.
Can I go ahead?
Yes, Didi.
Very good. Okay. So classification of elements. Elements are classified into four: metals, non-metals, metalloids, and noble gas. Okay.
Okay, Didi.
First, we learn about metals. We are very much known to these metals, right?
Yes, Didi.
Most of the elements known to us are metals. They are usually lustrous and hard solids. Exumptions, mercury and gallium are liquids. Sodium and potassium are soft. Metals are malleable and ductile. Zinc is brittle. Now, what do you mean by malleable? Can be beaten into thin sheets. Now, suppose if I take zinc. Now, if I take some metal and if I take a hammer, if I beat it, it becomes thin like a paper, like a paper.
Yes, Didi.
That is called
Yes,
as
Didi.
malleable. That is called as malleable. Now you see foil papers, no? Do you know
Yes,
foil
Didi.
papers? Those are
Yes,
actually
Didi.
metals. They are metals. Okay. They have been cut
They are
into thin sheets. Okay.
they are beating with hammer, no, Didi.
Yes, yes. Next, what do you
And
mean by
what
tell?
what is meaning of illustrious?
I will come to you. Chill.
Okay.
Next is ductile. Ductile can be drawn into wire without breaking. Means ductile means वो wire जैसे अपन बांध सकते हैं. Ductile. Okay. Malleable and ductile. So, what are the properties of metals? They are usually lustrous and hard solids. Okay.
Okay.
Metals are malleable and ductile. They have high melting and boiling points. Okay. अभी
Okay,
हर
Didi.
हर चीज का एक बॉइलिंग पॉइंट होता है, एक मेल्टिंग पॉइंट होता है, तो उसके बारे में आगे
Okay.
अपन देखेंगे. Then they are good conductors of heat and electricity. That means अब हीट और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को मेटल के साथ जमता है. ठीक है. मीन्स शॉक नहीं मारेगा. अगर मेटल को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के साथ जोड़ोगे तो शॉक नहीं मारेगा. दैट मीन्स दे आर गुड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
Okay, Didi.
They are sonorous substances because they produce a specific sound when struck. Sonorous मतलब अपन सुन सकते हैं. They create some sound. अभी मेटल को हिट करेंगे तो कुछ साउंड आएगा ना. अभी आपकी मम्मी गुस्से में बर्तन फेंकेगी तो वो साउंड आता है ना.
Yes, Didi. Even this.
Yes, you get the sounds. So that is sonorous substance. Example of metals are
Gold, iron, silver.
aluminum, tin, all these. Okay,
Didi, can I ask something?
please ask.
Yesterday I saw in YouTube an experiment, Didi, a rocket experiment. They said in that some ductile looks like when like people design cake, no, Didi, with that small thing. Like
Yeah.
that it looks, Didi. It helps to hold that bottle.
Yeah, so that's what I told you. Ductile मतलब wire जैसे होता है. So what does the wire do? It मतलब अपन कुछ बांध सकते हैं, कुछ चीज को पकड़ सकता है ना.
Yes, Didi.
Yeah. Clear with metals?
Yes, Didi.
Now we'll be doing non-metals. So before going to non-metals, read this. Wait, I'll read. Chalk, milk, and our bones contain a common metal, calcium. You agree, right? Calcium.
Yes, Didi.
Chlorophyll
I
contains
do.
magnesium, which helps to capture energy from sunlight for photosynthesis by plants. तो ये लीफ के अंदर क्या है? मैग्नीशियम है. तो वो क्या करता है? फोटोसिंथेसिस का प्रोसेस को इजी करता है. मतलब लीव्स कैन मेक द फूड फॉर द प्लांट्स. Yes, doubt?
Didi, in there's even a table of magnesium and all, Didi.
Yeah, correct. Yes, I will show you that table later. Then,
Okay, Didi.
in mammals, iron is found in red blood cells in hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the body. अभी अपने blood में there are red blood cells. ठीक है?
Yes,
उसके अंदर ऑक्सीजन होता है. Okay?
Okay.
Now we'll be learning about non-metals. Non-metals are elements with a dull surface, that is, they do not shine. Okay. Now,
Okay,
see,
Didi.
metals they shine, correct? Now, if you see
Yes,
your
Didi.
metals, they will shine because they are metals. Here, they do
Okay,
not shine at all. Okay.
okay, Didi.
Second, they are fewer in number as compared to metals. Fewer. Sorry, fewer. Fewer मतलब कम है. Metals are more, non-metals are less. Okay. They are
Okay,
either
Didi.
soft solids or gases, except bromium, which is a liquid. Then,
Okay, Didi.
non-metallic solids are brittle in nature. They are all bad conductors of heat and electricity, except carbon in the form of graphite and gas carbon. That means, see, what is the opposite of metals? Non-metal, correct?
Non-metals. Yes, Didi.
Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Then non-metals will be bad conductors of heat and electricity. Yes.
Like wood is this no Didi, non-metal, so it never catches the fires.
Wood catches fire. That's why it
No,
is a bad
Didi.
conductor of heat. How do you do this bonfire?
Oh yes, Didi.
Yeah, that's why it is a
And
bad conductor of heat.
when we keep in fire the any metal thing, Didi, the whole thing will be so hot.
Yeah, it will take time. Yeah, correct. Next, they have low melting and boiling point. See, metals में क्या थे? They have high melting point and boiling point. See here, they have high melting and boiling point, whereas non-metals have low sleepy, whereas non-metals have low melting and boiling point. Understood?
Didi, you said sleepy.
Then, yeah, you were sleepy, you were yawning, so I told. बीच में एक dose दे दिया आपको.
नहीं Didi.
They are neither malleable nor ductile. Okay, they can neither be beaten to sheets nor they can be taken in wire. Okay,
Excuse me, Didi, I cannot hear you.
is my voice clear?
Yes, Didi, now I can.
They are not sonorous. That means if we hit it, we cannot get any sound. Now, for example, wood. वुड में आप वुड को ऐसे मारोगे तो साउंड आता है क्या? नो. ओके.
थोड़ा साउंड आता है दीदी.
अबे बंदर, नहीं आता. दे डिस्प्ले अ वेराइटी ऑफ कलर्स, मतलब इनके इतने सारे कलर्स होते हैं. दे हैव कलर्स. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नॉन मेटल्स आर सल्फर, phosphorus, carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine, nitrogen, etc. Clear?
Okay, Didi.
Very. So we'll stop till here. Okay. What all have we learned today?
Elements and atoms, molecules.
We have also learned what are pure substances, what are impure substances. We have learned what are elements. We have learned what are metals and what are non-metals. Okay.
Okay, Didi. Didi, can you send me the recording so I will see once again? I will get into my mind.
अरे सर, मैं भेजूंगी, इतना चिंता क्यों करते हो?
Okay, Didi. Namaste, धन्यवाद. Bye, Didi. Or we are doing more.
You already told namaste. Why should I talk?
Tell Didi.